Are you tired of feeling stuck working in your business instead of working on your business? The Venture Map is a strategic management tool that allows you to visualize your business in a collaborative virtual workspace.
It all starts with the culture. We'll establish who your key leaders are, your team's core values, and the driving mission behind why your organization exists.
From there, we move into strategy and begin to visualize your business model, your customer segments, and operations processes.
Next, we begin creating your experience map where we'll define all points of interaction between your customers and your business.
We've created this Venture Map template to give you an easy and intuitive way to start your venture mapping journey. In this template, you will find detailed examples and step-by-step guidance from our Venture Map assistants. We can't wait to see all that you'll build. So, let's dive in.
The culture lane of the Venture Map is divided into 3 sections. It starts with looking at the individuals. We will create profiles defining who's on the team and what their role in the organization is. From there, we will zoom out to look at your team as a whole. Together, we will define your team's collective identity through our core attributes, skills, and activities exercise, as well as agreeing upon a set of core values for the team and establishing rules for what is and what isn't supported behaviors when working together as a team. From there, we zoom out again to look at the organization as a whole, answering the question, why do we exist, by coming together to create a mission statement and vision that defines the organization's purpose. And then visually representing the organization through a brand identity template, followed by capturing your origin story in our brand narrative section. The goal of the culture lane is to create a snapshot of your business's culture at 3 levels of elevation, from the individuals, to the collective team, to the organization itself.
The strategy lane of the Venture Map is again divided into 3 sections. It starts with business strategy, where you will complete a lean canvas, an adaptation of Strategizer's business model canvas that was created by Ash Muria, and a value proposition canvas, created by Alexander Osterwalder, founder of Strategizer, to get a fundamental look at your current state business model. Then looking outward into customer strategy, where you will create a user persona, a fictional representation of your primary customer segment, that will allow you to put a face and a life to the data, and help to better inform decision-making when it comes to interacting with your customers, as well as a customer story, a narrative that positions your customer as the hero on a journey, used to help guide your customers to success through using your product or service. And after that, we'll move on to the playbooks section, where you and your team will work together to map out and agree upon the structure of your operations processes. After agreeing upon the most efficient, streamlined, and optimized process, you can copy it over into one of the playbook lanes where it can be further detailed to suit the needs of your business. The goal of the strategy lane is to visualize your strategy for your business, your customer, and your team.
The experience lane of the Venture Map is structured a little differently than the rest. It is an immersive visual diagram that covers multiple phases of the customer journey. It comes preloaded with an example framework that includes the most common points of interaction to help you structure an experience map. You can add to or modify the example nodes to accurately depict the paths your customer can take in order to meet the needs of your specific business. The experience map starts with marketing, where you will establish your different traffic channels and first point of contact, followed by your top of funnel, your landing pages, homepage, or wherever your traffic channels are directing. Then your mid-funnel, where those who have clicked through or expressed interest, but have not yet decided to buy are. This includes your opt-ins, nurture sequence, and retargeting ads, which leads into the sales phase, which would include your sales page, sales calls, the checkout page, and purchase confirmation. From there, we define the post-purchase phase of fulfillment, which will detail the experience of the customer actually using your product or service, from getting started to familiarizing themselves with the product or service, to becoming a loyal fan of your brand, and finally becoming an advocate of your brand who is willing to give testimonials, reviews, etc. The goal of the experience lane is to detail all points of interaction that your customer will come into contact with, starting with first becoming aware of your brand through marketing, all the way through to fulfillment and making sure your customers become a loyal advocate of your brand. This process will help you to identify pain points and illuminate areas for improvement, so you can optimize your user experience and service as a whole.
When we're talking about making changes and optimizing your business for success, you need to know exactly what's going on inside and outside of your business. And when it comes down to it, Venture mapping can help you see all of the pieces in an easy-to-understand manner so that you're able to make informed decisions about how everything works together. In order to build sustainable growth in your business, you need to have a strategic plan laid out in front of you. A venture map serves as the foundation for your business's growth strategy. It gives you a comprehensive look into the current state of your business and can illuminate what it takes to reach the goals necessary for your business to achieve its desired state. Visualizing everything will help you see how all of the elements in your business connect with each other and interact. It's not difficult and anyone can do it, but only if they know what to do and have the right process in place. Getting started is easy, and there is step-by-step video direction to guide you through the entire process. So, what are you waiting for? Activate your board now to begin your venture mapping journey.
And we'll see you on the other side.